cinnamon challenge.
I'm really nervous.
Between Brittany Scott and Adrielle Scott, and I am the timekeeper on today. Thank you very much.
You ready? Let's go.
At the count of 3,
No, hold on, nervous.
the two contestants are to put the cinnamon in their mouth and keep it in your mouth.
Finish it. Second. You have to finish it before 60 seconds. You ready?
No, man.
Wait, 3,
Chill out. We're talking about heart is like beating so fast.
Come on, let's go.
3.
No. Hold on. Let me gather it together first.
Y'all done wasted 45 seconds of video gathering yourselves.
3,
2, 1, go. Stay down, go.
Stay your ass down.
Finish it. How long they got, Mama?
Some cereal.
How was it, girl? How was it, Brady?
That's the most awful thing I've ever done.
It felt like somebody just choked me. It's in my car.
I was getting close.
Oh, man.
When they hope you cry.